Hey there, I'm Shauna and I'm doing a review on this TOTO Drake two-piece elongated tornado flush toilet. I really liked the design of this toilet. It just had a really stylish design. I've heard a lot of good things about the TOTO brand toilets. One thing I really liked about this one is when you look under the seat, just the way they designed the inside of the rim on this one, it just makes it a whole lot easier to keep clean than a lot of the other toilets. Our previous one, we just had a horrible time keeping it clean under the rim, but this one is really easy. And so I really love that. This one has a tornado flush feature. So it's got a really strong flush while it actually conserves water as well. But we have actually never had this toilet clog yet, and we've had it almost 2 years. So that's pretty amazing. It's got a great flush to it. But we've been really happy with this toilet. I highly recommend it to anybody that is looking for one. And I give this a 5 out of 5 stars.